and Counting Us shows a list of surveys that have been added to your account activity. The options you see here might be different, as every community will have different needs. Across the top is a yellow bar that indicates the app is currently in pre-count mode. This means that any surveys you submit are considered tests, so you can go ahead and practice as much as you want. When the count goes active, this bar will no longer appear, and you'll know that the surveys you submit are being included in your local point-in-time count results. To access a survey, you would simply tap on any of these buttons. Some communities may sign up for surveys in multiple languages. If that is the case in your community, after selecting the survey you would like to conduct, a pop-up window will appear and ask you to choose the language you would like the survey to be in. After that, another pop-up may appear asking if you are surveying an individual or a household. This pop-up will only show for the unsheltered and sheltered surveys. If you select an individual, you'll be taken to the next screen and can conduct the survey with that individual. If you select household, you'll be asked how many people are in the household. From there, you'll confirm your location and start interviewing the head of the household. On the Confirm Location screen, you will see a pinpoint in the middle of the map, which is your device's location. If you need to make adjustments, you can drag the map around with your finger. You also have the option to zoom in or out on this map as well. If you've gotten a little bit lost, you can always use the pinpoint icon to recenter the map on your current location. If for some reason you don't have access to using your GPS, you may be prompted to enter an address. You can also choose this option at any time, but be sure to enter the full street address. Most users will simply need to confirm their location is correct on the map and then tap the Next Step button. From there, you're able to access the survey details. In the survey, you'll be able to walk through and ask the person you are interviewing all the questions that appear. Some surveys will have logic built in so that part of the survey won't show until a condition is met. For this example, you can see that selecting yes or no for this first question will determine if you can continue with the survey or not. After going through the survey, you'll see there are two buttons at the bottom. You can submit your survey by clicking on the green Submit button, or if you need to, you can click the blue Save Draft button. Saving a draft will save the survey to your device. This can be useful when working in rural areas that may not have good internet connection, or if you get interrupted while interviewing someone. If you selected the household option, after you submit or save the survey, a new blank survey will appear, asking for the next person's relationship to the head of household. This will continue until all household members have been surveyed. Once the survey is either submitted or saved, you'll be popped back to the Surveys tab, where you can continue counting. On the bottom, you'll see the Drafts tab that will have a little indicator for the number of drafts you have saved. If you click on that tab, you can see all the drafts you saved throughout the count. Select one, and you'll be given the opportunity to open or remove it. Opening up a saved draft will pull up the survey and all previous answers. Once opened, you can then submit the saved draft survey or continue making changes. Make sure that all drafts are off your device before you finish counting.